Before you trade a single candle, before you read a single chart, you have to build a setup. The platform is your battlefield, and warriors know their weapons. The setup is the edge. Before the entry, build the stage. Watchlist clean alerts are set. For HM50, no regrets. The setup is the edge. Bar replay before you pledge. Volume profile levels locked. Laser focus, doors are blocked. 5 zones on the screen, learn them all first. Top bar chart area, left 2's right panels, quench your thirst. The watch list and the alerts, that's all you need, right? Everything else in 8 years, never touched it right. Add your symbols, check your broker feed. Section them by asset, commodities, forex and seed. Then create a section called the hidden, drop it low. Every market that you don't like today, let it go. 25 assets on your screen means you're done. You'll be tempted by everything. Trading FTMO 1, 10 is still too many. 3 is getting there. 1 filtered market, laser focus, that's the prayer. Alerts on the right click, that's how the pros do it. Not the button at the bottom, precision right through it. Custom message on the alert, write the reason why. 4 hours later you know exactly what's alive. The setup is the edge. Before the entry, build the stage. Watchlist clean, alerts are set. For HM15, no regrets. The setup is the edge. I reply before you pledge. Riddim profile levels locked. Laser focus, doors are blocked. 4H for the structure, mark the highs and lows. 15-minute for the entry, that's where precision flows. Favorite only what you use, star it, pin it clean. Don't scroll through 50 time frames, that's just noise between. Candlestick for the patterns, line chart for the trend. Volume candles when you need to see the weight they send. Long position tool before you ever click buy. Draw the risk or reward first, let the numbers clarify. Horizontal line for levels, shift key locks it straight. Rectangle for the zones, highlight where you'll wait. Brush tool for your prediction, draw it, walk away. Come back hours later, see if price obeyed. Convert shows the range, the high and low inside. Fixed ledge, volume profile. POC is where they hide. Vi and Vi all the boundaries. The nodes are where the orders rest. Point of control, the magnet, that's where price gets blessed. Bar replay, that's where the skill is built. Candle by candle, forward feel the tilt. Pick the 4H range, then drop to 15. Practice every sweep and entry, live in the drink. Click replay, hit start new. Drag this section, hit play through. Speed it up or slow it down. Multi-time frame, build it down. No tool on the chart. Write your question, that's the art. Snapshot, copy link, paste in Discord, make them think. Baggy plexes, everything. Vague questions, get you nothing. Show the trial, show the level, show the why. That's how you learn, that's how you fly. This isn't just a platform, this is your command center. Every tool a decision, every click you enter. The watch list is your filter, the alerts are your eyes. Bar replay is your classroom where your trading mind applies. Platform mastery before the strategy lands. You can trade what you cannot see with your own hands. Simplicity is bombing, 2 time frames, 2 styles. Most of the other buttons haven't touched in miles. free template below removes all friction done. So you focus on the learning, not the setup spun. Copy paste the layout, paste the indicators in. Now your chart looks like a pro, and the real work can begin. The setup is the foundation, layer 1 is done. Now the strategy sits on top, layer 2 begun. The psychology above that, layer 3 is key. Platform strategy, mindset, that's the holy three. The setup is the edge. Before the entry, build the stage. Watchlist clean, alerts are set. For Russia 15, no regrets. The setup is the edge. Bar replay before you play. Volume profile levels locked. Laser focus, doors are blocked. Watchlist, filtered, alerts, set with context.